So read this word.
The big game. The big game.
No, read the word. Don't just guess.
The big hit.
Correct.
The big hit.
Yes, please don't play around and please don't touch the screen.
No. No. No.
Stop.
No.
Read it.
No. I'm holding my breath.
No, read the story, please.
9,
Sarah.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Sarah.
6.
I'm not going to make a movie if you don't stop playing.
Is it time for bed?
Are you making a movie?
Yes.
Okay.
You're on video playing around when you're supposed to be doing your homework.
This is not homework.
It's my homework.
It's your homework.
Read.
You do
read,
homework?
read.
You do homework.
My homework for you. Read.
That.
Oh, Sarah.
Man. His.
What's that little...
Has a bat. Short 2 letters all you need.
What's that word?
Short 2 letters.
Are you going to be done?
Yes. Yes, I'm done.